Welcome to the installation video of the 4WCCB cutout cutting board drawer. Before we begin, you will need the following tools: a power drill with the number 2 Phillips bit and a 7/64 inch bit, a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, a bubble level, a tape measure, and a pencil. In your box, you'll find the following parts: a drawer unit complete with a cutting board, funnel inserts, drawer box, and stopper, Bloom soft close slides, rear Bloom brackets for face frame cabinets only, Bloom release triggers, a figure 8 screw pack, number 8 by 5/8 inch wood screws, and number 6 by 1/2 inch panhead screws. Place your existing drawer face down. Use your pencil and trace around the bottom 2 corners of the drawer. Mark the back of the drawer front, then detach and save. The existing drawer box and slides from the cabinet are no longer needed. Flip the new cutout cutting board drawer box over and place the left and right Bloom release triggers flush against the front and side walls. Align the trigger holes over the pre-drilled holes in the drawer box and install using the number 6 by 1/2 inch panhead screws. Place the figure 8 brackets over the pre-drilled holes on the front of the drawer and secure using the screws from the same figure 8 packet. Align the bottom corners of the drawer box to the 90-degree pencil marks on the drawer front. Mark both hole locations through the figure 8 brackets. Before pre-drilling, it's recommended you put a piece of tape on the base of the bit to use as a guide to help prevent drilling all the way through the drawer front. Use a 7/64 inch bit to pre-drill holes at the marked hole locations. Align the figure 8 brackets over the pre-drilled holes and attach the drawer front using the same screws provided in the figure 8 packet. For frameless applications, place the slide 1/8 inch back from the front edge of the cabinet. Level the slide and mark 3 hole locations. Next, pre-drill the holes. 1/8 inch spacers can be added along the 3 designated holes in the slides. Secure using the number 8 by 5/8 inch wood screws. Repeat on the other side. For face frame applications, slide the rear Bloom bracket into the back slot of each Bloom slide. Set the slide 1/8 of an inch back from the cabinet opening and mark the front 2 holes. Make sure the slide is level and extend the rear bracket so it is flush with the back cabinet wall. Mark 1 screw location in one of the top row corners and 1 screw location in the bottom row corner on the opposite side. Remove the slide and pre-drill your marks using the 7/64 inch bit. Attach the rear bracket to the back of the cabinet using the number 8 by 5/8 inch wood screws. Connect the back of the slide to the rear bracket and position the front over the pre-drilled holes in the face frame. Secure using 2 of the number 6 by 1/2 inch panhead screws. Repeat on the other side. Place the drawer inside the cabinet. Ensure the Bloom release triggers underneath the drawer engage with the Bloom slides. You should hear a clicking sound. Place the funnel insert in the drawer box and add the cutting board and stopper. Your installation is now complete. Enjoy your product for years to come.